Hi guys, so today we are diving into the vibrant flavors of Goa with a unique and delicious recipe, Goan Drumstick Sukha. This semi-dry curry is a true Goan delight. Packed with the goodness of drumstick and the richness of coconut, we'll be cooking tender drumsticks in flavorful blend of spices including coriander seeds, cumin seeds and freshly grated coconut. Get ready for a burst of coastal flavors. This recipe is perfect balance of spicy, flavory and nutty. Whether you are a fan of Goan cuisine or looking to try something new, this drumstick sukha is a must try. So now let's begin with this recipe. So first take 10 drumsticks, or also known as Muska Sango in Goa. Then simply cut the drumsticks as shown. Make sure to peel the outer skin with the help of the knife. Make sure to cut it around 3-inch long. Cut all the drumsticks similar like this. So all the drumsticks are ready to cook now. Then take a mixer jar, add half tablespoon cumin seeds, 3 garlic cloves, 2 tablespoon coriander seeds, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, add 3 tablespoon water, then blend it to a smooth paste. So the masala paste is ready. Make sure it is something like this. Then leave it aside to use it later. Then in a hot pan add oil, add 2 onions chopped and fry the onion until it is nice and soft. Then add 1 tomato chopped, 2 green chilies and fry it until the tomatoes are nice and soft. Then add the masala paste. And fry the masala paste for about 2 minutes. Just to make sure that the garlic and spices are nicely fried, as it will give a nice flavor to the vegetable. Then add the drumsticks, add 1 cup water and give it a nice mix. Then add some salt to taste and give it a nice mix. Then cover it and cook it until the drumsticks are nice and soft. Then give it a nice mix. And add half cup fresh grated coconut and then give it a nice mix and fry it for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then cover it and cook it for about 2 to 3 minutes on a low flame. Then give it a final mix. And there you have it guys, a delicious and flavorful Goan Drumstick Sukha. Be sure to let me know in the comments below how you enjoyed this recipe. And don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more delicious recipes to come. I hope you enjoyed this recipe for Goan Drumstick Sukha as much as I enjoyed making it for you. It's a truly authentic taste of Goa and is a wonderful way to enjoy the drumsticks. I hope you'll try this recipe at home and enjoy it with your family and friends. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.